Phoebe, my wife, sa wakas at nandito na tayo sa isa sa pinaka-memorable moment ng buhay natin. After ng ilang buwan na preparations and years as lovers, eto na, manunumpa na tayo sa harap ni Lord at sa harap ng mga importanteng tao sa buhay natin na tayo magsasama habang buwan.
Sana magustuhan niyo yung gift ko. Simple lang naman. Pero, we put effort into it. Kaya guys! In love with how you stare up at the moon. I found another color in you.
By now, alam kong na-open mo na yung gift. No more sana all. Alam kong magagamit mo yung tab sa work mo. Hindi ko lang sure kung pwedeng mag-ML. See you later, Vivi. I love you.
Phoebe, I know that this is not the most unique gift, but let me tell you that this gift symbolizes you. Timeless, fashionable, and perfect. And a promise that I am committing my whole lifetime with you. I love you always.
This sacrament is beautiful because it unites two together, man and woman together, and they live God's love. This is the reason why we happily gather here this afternoon, because of this gift of love.
Louis Francis Urbano Oliver, Bibi, finally here we are, closing a page and now starting our new chapter. Long ago, you were just a dream and a prayer. Who would have thought na nasa taas lang pala ng SSS ang lalaking inilaan ng Diyos para sa akin? Ang lalaking iniisnab ko lang noon sa chat, 2 beses nag-cruise ang landas sa labas ng office, nagkamabutihan at ngayon ay asawa ko na.
Ngayong mag-aasawa ka na, sana, ano pa rin kayo sa bahay?
Siyempre.
Uwi-uwi pa rin. At sana, as usual.
Yung apo, wala ka lang.
Yung apo rin. Para magkaroon na rin ako ng apo.
Sa wakas, for 30 years na. Sana, magka-baby na kayo agad.
Ay!
Para may second apo na kami ng papa mo.
Thank God at nakilala kita The best part of it pa is He gave you to me at the time I needed you most. Alam mo yun. And I've been grateful since then. You're always there for me through ups and downs. You're always at my side, supporting me. Doon pa lang alam kong ikaw na ang babaeng makakasama ko habang buhay. Salamat at pinili mo. You were my first, last, and definitely the only woman I love.
Louis, sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay at sa harap ng Panginoon, nangangako akong araw-araw kitang mamahalin, uunawain at ipapanalangin.
Rena, I vow not to hurt you, not to leave you even through worst times, and I will keep fighting for us, for our future family.
Gawin mo akong iyong tahanan at pahinga. Gawin mong tahanan ang buo kong pagkatao. Gawin mong pahinga ang yakap ko sa pagkakataong takot, lungkot at pagod ang naninirahan sa puso mo.
And may the good Lord accompany you in your marital relationship. And may the words that come out from your mouths from now on be, I love you today, tomorrow, and even the days after forever. Best wishes and God bless.
Thank you for being consistent in everything you do. From this day forward, as I live everything for a new life together, I vow to always choose you no matter what. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko sa araw-araw, ikaw ang mamahalin ko pang habang buhay. Always know that our love story is my favorite tale, and I promise to continue writing it with you, chapter by chapter, for all the days of our lives. I love you forever and always.